everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have a new nail design for you. I am going to be doing a mix of a gel nail design with some regular nail polish stamping. So I'm going to be doing a mermaid nail design for you today. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you all the different products that I am going to be using to get this design. And yeah, we're going to get straight into the video. So first off, I like to prep my nails with this Orly Gel FX nail tip primer, and it's a vitamin infused. So I first put that on my nails before doing the base coat. Next, I use this Bio Seaweed Gel No Sanding Base, and this is an LED polish, so I cure that one for 30 seconds. And that is my base coat. I'm really loving this base coat right now. It seems to keep my manicures on a lot longer, so I definitely recommend it. Next, I did one coat of Bio Seaweed Gel's 3-step color in 19 Granny Smith. So that is what we are going to be working with today, is one coat of that first. Then we're going to be using this Bio Seaweed Gel, and this is 58 Peony, probably one of my favorite colors. Next. Then we're going to be using this Beauty Big Bang powder, and this is J2831, and I'm going to be using my Born Pretty store nail brush to help dust off the powder. And of course, we can't forget a top coat. I am using the Born Pretty store No Wipe top coat to do this design. Alright, so this is my nail currently. This is with 19 Granny Smith. So I'm going to open that one up again, and I'm going to put a little bit of that on half the nail. And then we're going to take the 58 Peony, and we're going to kind of overlap the two colors. So I'm just going to start by doing that, and then we're going to overlap them. So covering the whole entire top there with this polish. And this is where we're going to just kind of overlap it a little bit and just kind of push it in to the green, and making sure the top of the nail is covered, and don't forget your free edge. Now you can use either like a needle or a toothpick or something like that. I am using this tool here that I got, I think, in my my mani box, and I'm just going to kind of swirl those two colors together to create another color. And if you're happy with that, then you can go ahead and cure it. So I'm going to cure that in my sun lamp that I got from Amazon. I actually really like this lamp a lot. So I'm going to do this one for 60 seconds, just to make sure that it is completely dry. Once that is dry, we're going to take that Born Pretty store top coat and give it one coat. Just so that we can put the powder on. Again, cure that one. Next, we're going to take that Beauty Big Bang powder, and we're going to put some of that on. I usually just use my finger to do this. So I put some on my finger and I just rub it into the nail. Alright, and once we're all covered, I take that little fan brush and kind of just dust it off around the edges. And we're going to take that top coat again. And give it one good coat to seal in the powder. and again we're going to cure it. Next, we're going to take the Sailor Collection 20 stamping plate, and this is by Muyu London. Then we're going to use this Hit the Bottle polish, and this is called Break the Icing. And we're also going to use this Born Pretty Store stamping polish, and this is called Starry Star. We're going to first use that Hit the Bottle nail polish. And we're going to stamp it on the nail. And that is the finished nail design. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.